Okay, let's discuss overlapping points in Illustrator created by the live corner feature and how it behaves when we import it into Plasticity. So let's say we take these two guys, these two corners, and drag until these points are overlapping. That's why it shows red. And let's do the same here on all four corners. So let's basically make a circle out of it. And let's see what we have done with the direct selection tool. Let's select this. And here you can see that these points are overlapping. Here also on all four sides. Save it as an SVG and import it into Plasticity. Here in Plasticity, let's import it. Let's see what Plasticity has done during or after the SVG import. Here we can't see such an overlapping issue. But here the overlap remains on all four sides. Let's see if we have any other overlapping issues on this shape. Here is also an overlapping thing. Let's see how we can fix it, or at least how we can reduce this overlapping right in Illustrator. So there isn't a direct way of getting rid of these overlappings like in Blender, let's say, merge by distance. So we have to use a workaround, and the workaround looks like this. You can offset the path with a minimum amount. Let's go to Object, Path, Offset Path, Shift Control O in my case. And here by default it offsets like this, 3.52 millimeters. But let's give it a minimal amount. Let's say something like 0.0001 pixel. Press OK. Let me repeat this. I go back and let's see here we have these two shapes. And if we offset, again with the minimum amount, let's see what happens here. The paths will be offset and they are also the ones which are selected now. And if we press Ctrl X for cutting them and deleting the original ones, these ones, delete, and Ctrl F for placing them on the same spot. Let's see what we have. We have solved this issue of these overlapping paths. Now they are clean. And here aren't any issues. Let's save them again as SVG and import it in Plasticity. Ctrl Shift O. Here wasn't any problem in the first case also, so that looks okay. And let's see what we have done here. Now we have fixed this problem. And let's also check for other random overlapping points. Here still overlapping stuff remained. And I don't know why this remains, although here in Illustrator there isn't a problem on this corner. But nevertheless we were able to remove most of these overlapping issues in the first place right in Illustrator. I mean, if you think about a more complex SVG, a more complex vector drawing, this will help you avoid more drama in Plasticity in the first place.